figured it'd be faster than me climbing. I thought it'd be faster than me climbing. Okay, so what's happening here is there's one line that is going to the pulling the main halyard, and we're using that to hoist me, and then we have a second line, which is the spinnaker line, being used as a backup line. So you winch up a bit and then you winch up the backup line. You winch up a bit and then you winch up the backup line. So my brother's going back and forth between the two winches. And that's the easy way, right? Wow. It's messed up again. You know what, just undo it then and get it so that it doesn't mess up. Just do 1 or 2 rounds. Yeah. I'm trying to climb it there. Is it helping? Andrew, that's probably the last time on the backup. Just keep going on the main. So I'll have to undo the backup and flip it over the spar. Okay, hang on. Okay. Yeah, backup's good. Okay. For a sec. I don't know how that works. That's pretty black. So I'd say that blew up. Whoa! First, the huge wind comes right when you're trying to get your hands on the bag. volts. Must be the resistance in the wire. So there is power there, which is good. There's some power on this one. Let's find the bulb. I don't know if it's the right bulb. I think it's a bit small. Andrew, I'm at the top. I can't reach it. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to get that thing checked. There's no door. Yeah, I can't reach it. I can't free climb. I don't know how to do that with this. Okay. I think I'm on the backup again. You have to let me down a little bit more, please. Oh, thank you. What's that? Yeah. Oh. Well, thanks, Andrew. Yeah, unless I can dream up of a way now that I've been up there. I'll see if I can think of a way to get a little higher. You know what, it's almost like if I could have taken the yellow strap and then thrown it up and looped it over the top. What's that? Well, no, but then I could have at least maybe stood on it and tried to get up. The wind moving around wasn't helping much either. It was definitely burnt, so I changed the light, but it didn't come on. So I think that, yeah. What do you mean? Yeah. Right inside the cabin there. Yeah. Yeah, like I've tested that. I redid the ends and like when I climbed.
Yeah.
I thought that might be easier.
Yeah.